All right, so welcome to another video. Today is another episode. We want to look at how we can tackle this particular function on the board. Let's go. So this function ln of x all squared. Okay, so this expression can be written as 1 times ln x all squared dx. Okay, so this becomes your u, of course. So we have u equals ln x all squared. So when you differentiate that, you're going to have 2 ln x times the differential of the inside, and that is going to be 1 on x dx. Okay, so we have du is equal to ln x over x dx. So we have this here. Now 1 dx becomes our du. Okay, our dv. Okay, so we have dv equals 1 dx. Integrate both sides. This takes off this, so we have v equals x. Okay, so by the help of the traditional way of solving by parts, which is the integration of this function will be equal to uv minus integral of v du. Okay, now we know u, we know v, so we have I is equal to our u, which is ln x all squared, and our v is x. So we have x ln x all squared minus integral of the v, which is x, du, which is 2 ln x all over x dx. Okay, so we have integral of the function will be equal to x ln x all squared minus, now this takes of this, so we have integral of 2 ln x dx. Okay, so this we have to go the second time. Okay, so here we can say that integration will be equal to this minus integral ln x dx. Okay, so here again we let ln x equals u, so we can say that the u is equal to 1 on x dx. So once we have that, we can say that the v will be equal to 1 dx. So integrating both sides, we have v equals x. Again, we go and substitute that into this. So we have I equals ln x all squared minus 2 uv minus integral v du. Okay, so we have x ln x all squared minus 2 u right here is ln x and v is what? X. So we have x ln x, okay, minus integral v, which is x, and our du is 1 on x dx. Okay, so this we have x ln x all squared minus 2 into x ln x minus this takes of this, so you have integral 1 dx. Okay, so let's move here. So we have integration equals x ln x all squared minus 2 into x ln x minus integral 1 dx is of course x plus our constant of integration. So this, when we spread the 2, you have x ln x all squared minus 2x ln x minus 2 minus minus is going to be positive, right? Plus our constant of integration. So here we can see that s is common to the 3 terms. So we can decide to factor x out. So we have integration equals ln x all squared minus 2 ln x plus 2, then our constant of integration. So this becomes the final answer to this particular problem. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Don't forget to keep learning. If you stop learning, it means you are not living anymore. Bye-bye.